xCloud, Microsoft's cloud gaming service, allows you to play console-quality games on various devices. However, one common issue users may encounter is lag, which can hinder the overall gaming experience. Lag can be seen as delayed responses, stuttering, or inconsistent gameplay, often caused by network issues or device limitations. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to fix xCloud lag on iOS. The first thing you can do is check your internet connection. I would personally recommend using 50 megabits per second download and upload to ensure the best quality for gaming. Additionally, you should use a 5 GHz network when connecting your devices wirelessly, because you may see an interference on a 2.4 GHz network. The reason why you use 5 GHz is because it allows for more bandwidth and less latency. If you are on 5 GHz though, you will need to stay closer to your router, as 5 GHz has less range than the typical 2.4. Another thing you can do is reset your router and restart your phone too to see if that helps. Also, make sure to turn off any VPNs if you are running xCloud through a VPN, since it could drastically reduce the available bandwidth. The next thing you can do is turn off low power mode. xCloud recommends you set your device to best performance, so the way you can do this on an iOS device is to turn off low power mode so nothing is interfering and affecting the performance. Additionally, make sure you clear all unnecessary applications as well, as they can consume system resources and affect performance and network. You can also delete the xCloud gaming bookmark here, go into Safari, and then just redo it. So you're going to click this button right over here. You are going to click add to home screen, click add, and then run it from here again. Another thing you can do is run a buffer blow and a speed test to see how good your internet connection really is. You can use this website right here, waveform.com, which will give you a grade on how good your internet connection is in terms of speed and buffer blow. I would say that a good grade would be higher than B, especially for cloud gaming. Buffer blow is one of the main causes for lag on most cloud streaming services, as it can cause spikes in your internet's latency when another device is downloading files or uploading them. I will be leaving a link to some routers that can reduce buffer blow, so you can check that out in the description below. If you're still experiencing lag, try using xCloud on different devices or networks to isolate the issue. Test xCloud on another compatible device to see if the lag persists, as it could be relative to the specific device that you're using. Additionally, I would recommend that you use xCloud on different networks as well, as a friend's house or a public Wi-Fi hotspot, to determine if the lag is specific to your home network. By following these things, you can enhance your xCloud gaming experience by reducing lag and enjoying smoother gameplay. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.